Hi my loves, and welcome to Thursday's vlog. Those bags under my eyes are not cute. They're not cute at all. I am just pumped for the day. I'm awake, I'm in good form, and I'm going to, I think, have like a kind of like working day editing. I'm not going to film today. I went through like my makeup storage yesterday in the storage unit that I have, and look what palette I found, guys. I'm actually shook. I found the Colored Rain palette. I've never actually used this palette, and when I found it I was like, oh my god, I'm just so happy right now to actually have found it because it's been missing since I moved last September. I found it yesterday, delighted with myself. It's like getting a new palette, like a new gift to yourself. If you haven't seen the Colored Rain palette, I'll show you what it looks like now. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is what the palette looks like, and I was so missing out on this palette. I'm going to feature it in a makeup products, like a video of makeup products that I haven't reached for. I don't know whether that's kind of classified as a makeup product I don't reach for, technically, because I actually haven't had it in my possession in the longest time ever. But this was like getting a birthday present. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I found this. So happy. But I can feature it in a video if you want to see it. It's just such a pretty, beautiful eyeshadow palette. It deserves to be on my channel. It deserves to be featured. Look at these colours. I'm just so happy to actually have found it again because I'm so shook. So shook over those colours. Look at the prettiness of them. Aren't they just divine? Do let me know if you want to see them in a video because I would 100% be willing to feature that palette. Anyway, what else is going on today? I have to, I suppose just kind of like work. That's all I'm really doing today. It's just trying to catch up on my work, edit my videos. John's going away this weekend, so I have a whole weekend to myself to film, and I'm going to call out to some friends, just hang out and catch up with people in my life, because I just honestly feel that because John and I have been just doing the apartment for the last, what, like 6 weeks, 7 weeks, oh my god, it could be nearly 2 months now at this stage, that it's just that we haven't caught up with anyone. We haven't even spent time together. It's just been crazy busy. So last night John and I didn't go to the apartment, and he came over. I just took a whole day off yesterday. I didn't do anything, and he came over and we watched some of The Revenant. Have you seen that movie? If you haven't, you need to see it. It's one of my personal favorites, but John's like totally into like obviously them type of movies, and he loves Game of Thrones and stuff like that. We watched 10 minutes of it, just the beginning scene. If you know the beginning scene, it's enough to suck you in. So he was texting me today and he was like, I really want to watch the rest of that movie. So I think that's what we're going to do tonight. We're just going to paint the ceilings in the kitchen, and then I'm going to like not finish my mosaic, but do as much as my mosaic as I possibly can, and then we're just going to hang out and watch The Revenant. It's like a 2.5 hour movie, so you really need to dedicate your night to it if you are going to watch it. But Leonardo DiCaprio is my favourite actor. Him and Tom Cruise, I just like anything they're in. I love them. They're just amazing. And then I'm going to film all day tomorrow, and I'm going to do like whatever videos you guys want to see. I obviously will be filming tomorrow, and this video won't be going up till tomorrow, but if you want to see any other videos, then let me know on Saturday, or whenever this video goes up. I'll film them on Saturday. That's what I'm trying to say. The other thing is, I've decided I'm going to do another week of drugstore makeup. You know, the drugstore, what do I call it, my drugstore series, which is like 7 days of drugstore videos. So please let me know what videos you want to see. I already put up a poll on Twitter, and it's getting like, I think I had something like 90% versus 10% of you guys that wanted me to do it versus people who didn't want me to do it, and I'm gonna do that. So I don't know when exactly that series is gonna go live because obviously I'm busy at the moment, but I think if you guys really want it, I'll start filming it this weekend, and then like kind of get some of those videos like up and running, and maybe we'll start uploading not next week, maybe not the week after, but the week after that. So like this time 2 weeks we'll be kind of like starting into the series, or Monday 2 weeks rather, we'll be starting into the series. It just takes me a bit of time obviously to film like 7 videos in a row. It's time consuming, and it's not something you can do like all in one go, because I want to obviously have content for next week and the week after and stuff. So you get my drift. You get my drift, what I'm saying. So I made that decision this morning. And what else news have I got for you guys? Because I feel like I haven't talked to you in like 2 days. Well, it has been 2 days, but I feel like stuff's been going on. It's been anything kind of like major? Probably not. Yeah, I left my Converse in John's car, and he left them out to dry because they were wet from when I was kayaking, and Bella, his dog, got them and ate them. So I was like, oh my god, I'm so upset. But whatever, they're just Converse. She just is eating everything. She's gone through that like puppy phase, and that's why John's hiking boots are in the shoe repair guys, because Bella ate the tongue out of the boots. So now she's at my Converse and she ate his Asics. But she's such a dote, you couldn't even get angry at her. She's a cross between Cavalier King Charles and a Bichon. She's just so cute. She's so stinking cute. So you just couldn't get angry. I got a few packages there yesterday and one arrived this morning, so I'll show you them. This mess of packages. The first thing actually that arrived, this arrived yesterday. These were things that I ordered myself, but they're from the Dose of Colour, and I love Sarah E. And I got her liquid lipstick and her lip gloss, which I'll show you them first. I haven't obviously used them yet, but obviously I am dying to try them out on my lips. So this is the lip gloss, which it looks beautiful. It's in the shade Barely There. There we go, got it to focus. So that's Barely There. And then I got a liquid lipstick. These came from Beauty Bay, and I got the eyeshadow, or the highlight rather, as well. So I want to feature them all in a video. So this is the liquid lipstick. So yeah, that's in the shade Nude Chica. I'm very excited to try both these out on my lips. I'll give you a little swatch first. So we've got Nude Chica on the top and Barely There on the bottom. Isn't Barely There just a gorgeous lip gloss colour, but Nude Chica is going to be amazing. I've spoken about the liquid lipsticks from Dose of Colours before and how they're like my favourite formula. So I was delighted that I picked them up, and I can't wait to try them out on my lips. I know I'm going to love them, because when do I not love Dose of Colours liquid lipsticks? I haven't tried a single shade that I'm not happy with, and those colours are just everything. The product in this pink package is what arrived too late. Oh, and you'll notice that when I show you it, because what is it? It's the Carnival palette. So Be Perfect sent this out to me, and I'm really appreciative of it. So thank you so much, Be Perfect, for sending that out. But I already own it, so I'm going to donate this or put it in a giveaway. I haven't decided yet, but it's going to go to a much more wanting home, because I already have it, so I don't need two. And if you didn't see my video on it, these are all the shades that are inside. I will leave a link to the video down below, as well as this palette, just if you wanted to pick it up yourself. It is, in my personal opinion, an epic palette. Definitely check out my review of it if you do want to know more about it, but it is pretty decent. It's a pretty good palette, not gonna lie. The other package I got was from Inglot. They sent me out a new eyeshadow palette, which I will show you here. So this is the NC palette, and I don't know if this is a collaboration with somebody. I'm presuming it is. Whoever NC is, please enlighten me. I am so behind the times, and social media is not my forte at the moment. I barely get to look at my own social media, let alone search it for other people. So I'm presuming this is a makeup artist. Forgive me if I don't know her, I'm so sorry. This is what the palette looks like, guys. This is epic. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I'm presuming that is NC there. She's very pretty, and I really like her eyes. So this is the NC palette, which has 5 shadows in it. There's like a pale white, like a champagne-y colour, a peachy colour. It's coming up like a mauvey purple, but it is kind of like a sparkly, there's a sparkle undertone to it. And then this really deep chocolatey purple shade, which is gorgeous. That's a lovely, lovely, lovely palette. Thank you so much, Inglot. The other thing that they sent me was a pair of lashes. These are the 2033s. And then they sent me a makeup brush. I absolutely adore Inglot's makeup brushes. I've had such good experiences with their makeup brushes. This is the 49SS. I do not own this, so I'm very, very happy to have it in my possession. It's like a pencil brush. The package is from Morphe. Thank you so much, Morphe, for anything you ever send me, because every single day you send me something, it makes my day, because they're always like the coolest products. How the hell do I get this out? Okay, I really aggressively ripped the sleeve because I have no idea how to get into this box. It just won't pull off. It's like it was stuck or something. So here we go, Morphe. What did you send me? Can I open anything today? Here we go. What's this? Morphe must-haves for kicking arch. Ooh! Eyebrow products. Oh my god, so excited. $6 for the new brow cream. $6 for new brow and setting gels. There's a micro brow pencil for $5. Oh my good god, how exciting. the new arch. So what is this? Okay, so you can get $18 for a collection which contains a micro brow pencil, brow setting gel, brow cream, an angled liner, spoolie brush, and a highlighting pencil. Wow. And there's 7 shades. When is it launching? Sorry, I just threw that away a bit too prematurely. It is launching on the 23rd of August. So that's today. Launching today. So what have we got here? Oh, so excited. There's a lot of gel eyebrow products in here. I'd say that's what they all are. This looks so pretty. This is the color chocolate. That's gonna be way too deep for my brows, but Ollie might actually appreciate that. She's got dark hair, obviously, so that might be really nice in her. Okay, so here we go. Here are all the shades from the darkest that I can see to the lightest. So I'm going to eliminate the colors that are not going to match me. Obviously this one here is not going to match me. It's way too warm for my brows. It'd be definitely nice for someone who's auburn hair. This is in the shade Almond. If you have red hair or warm undertones in your hair, this would be lovely, but it's too warm for me, so we won't be using this. And these, oops, these 3 are too dark. So this one is the shade, what shade is that? Chocolate. The shade beside it is in Java, and this one here is in the shade Latte, which they're too dark. So we're going to go with one of these 3, which I'm thinking either this one or maybe this one for days that I want a little bit of a darker brow, which is in the shade Mocha. And this one here is in the shade, God, why can't this focus? This is in the shade Hazelnut. This is a lovely colour. This is probably right up my alley for like a lighter brow. This one's in the shade Biscotti. It just will not focus for whatever reason. It's trying to focus on everything else, bar the bottom of this. So looking at them there, this definitely is going to be my deeper shade, or maybe even this one of them 2, and then one of these 2 for my lighter shade. So I'm not going to keep them all. I'm just going to have a little bit of an investigation. All the shades, very excited. And I have I have put it down to the fact I'm going to keep Mocha and I'm going to keep Hazelnut down here in the end. I think they're like my perfect brow shades. This for lighter, and this to just deepen up. This is too warm, this is too kind of ashy, and then the rest of them are too deep for me. So Ollie might want one of them too. They'd be nice on her brows. So there you go. Then they come out with 4 brow highlighting pencils. I want this one. I'm going to keep this one. I think I might give the rest away. This is in the shade Oh Brow Baby, and I'm just going to swatch it. So yeah, I'm not even going to open them 3 or swatch them 3, because I'm going to take this one here. It's really, really nice. So it's a lovely cream shade that you would apply obviously underneath the brow to highlight it a bit more. And we've got the brow pencils, which obviously are all in the same shades. I just checked they all have the same names as well. So they have a spoolie. I'm going to open my shade. What shade did I say I was going to take? Mocha. So we've got our product on one end, spoolie on the other. Very excited for this. I cannot wait to try these out. These are amazing. Last thing they sent was a clear brown mascara, so that's brilliant. So thank you so much, Morphe, for all those goodies. I can't wait to try them out and then give some to my sister for her to try out as well. But I am so thrilled with that package. Thank you. Who's at the door? Who is at the door? Who is it? Oh, it's Chewy. Oh, hello. What you got there? You got a ball. What are you up to? What are you doing? Oh, you're so good. Look at you with your ball. Oh, you're the best boy in the whole world. Do you want your ball? Do you want the ball? Do you want the ball? Crazy puppy. You're a crazy doggy. Yes, you are. You're crazy. Crazy puppy. Decided because of all of the Hills scenario going on, that the Hills are coming back, that I am going to watch the Hills again for the 15th million times. That's actually the 3rd series. What series is this that I have? The 4th. Where's my 1st series and 2nd series? Hiding behind there, maybe. Are they? Yes, there they are. Let's watch them. I am so excited. 1st season. I just love the Hills so much, and I'm just so excited they're coming back. Raging that Elsie's not going to be in it. But look, poor Lauren just doesn't want to make an appearance, and I kind of understand why. But we're going to have Heidi, Audrina, and apparently Whitney might be making an appearance. As well as like Jason's wife, I think. I think Frankie's going to be in it as well. And then Spencer's sister, Stephanie, as well. So there you go. So excited. Oh, it's just so amazing. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to feel the rain on my skin and watch the new seasons of The Hills. They won't be out till 2019, but I am living for it. So Since I'm so sad over my black Converse getting attacked by a little puppy, I picked up these coral ones. Look how cute they are. I got them on JD and they're only €20. I'll leave a link to them down below. They come in a 3, 3.5, 4 and 5. So if you are any of those sizes, they still have your size in stock. But they're so stinking cute. They have like little gold stars on them. I don't have anything like these. I have like a pink pair. These are just so pretty. Coral. You cannot live without coral shoes, I think, anyway. Also, if you didn't know, I just put up a video, well, yesterday, of makeup products I regret not trying sooner, so you guys should definitely check it out if you're interested. There's a link to my beauty channel always in the description bar if you want to check that one out. Just come up to put my makeup away, and look who's here. Hi, Angel. Hello. One of my subscribers asked to see you. Angel is, how old are you, Angel? She is 16. No, she's 17 actually. She's so old and frail. Poor old Angel. Yeah, you're so old, but I love you so much. Yes, I do. I do. You're a very good cat. The best in the whole world. She's such a lovable animal. Yeah, you are.